Hi, I'm Bob Iati, Partner and Global Head of Consulting with TABB Group. And this is the next installment of our video series, What We're Seeing. Today's topic is data centers. And we've recently done a series of engagements for customers around data center strategy and data center selection. In those engagements, we focused on size of market, where we assess the level of spend by different market segments, ranging from sell side to buy side to prop shop. We've also done competitive analysis, looking at the different competitive profiles of each data center, looking at the product offerings and the business models, focusing on the value proposition of those offerings, on the availability of a fully managed service versus one that offers simply space and power. Some of the differentiation also we see is the inclusion of add-ons like market data or managed services. The location or proximity to other data centers has also been important. Many customers also look at what other companies occupy that data center. The availability of co-location and proximity hosting services within the data center. One particularly important item is pricing models, and data centers have common pricing model configurations within a large discrepancy of cost per cabinet between those data centers that are owned and operated by exchanges versus those that are operated by independent providers like Equinix. The price is really going to wide range from anywhere from $1,000 or $1,200 per cabinet all the way up to maybe $8,000 per cabinet and beyond. And they're based on factors such as the proximity to an exchange matching engine, for instance. We also look at the power density per cabinet. Increasingly, that's becoming more critical as trading firms look to pack more horsepower into each cabinet. Typically, this is measured in kilowatts, parameters on max power capacity, typical percentage of capacity, maybe 75 or 80% is what it's typically run on, but there's a max power capacity that has a different kilowattage. Also within the power density is latencies, and those latencies are measured most frequently in milliseconds or microseconds. Available space, how much square footage is open and available for any new entrant. Connectivity options also are key, which range from the bandwidth, whether it's 1 gig or 10 gig or 100 gig fiber, speed and the presence of particular guarantees of speed, destinations and cross connects to each of those destinations with associated latencies, what telco companies are providing network, or provide the network, or is it network neutral? Lastly, alignment with exchanges. Does the particular data center house other exchange matching engines? Which ones, and how fast is the latency to get to those matching engines? With latency sensitivity trading growing across all asset classes now, we see data center strategies as becoming a critical part of all trading plans for firms in this industry. I'm Bob Iati, and this is what we're seeing.